It's great to show the before and after photos of the treatment that you've done, especially if you're a cosmetic dentist, right? Or a dentist that can provide sort of impressive before-after shots, right? Like result shots. So that includes cosmetic dentists, orthodontists, and a few other sort of people who might, do treatments for kids, so you can show them that the jawline actually changes, because of the treatment. But one thing that you need to understand is when you do before-after photos, you need to make sure you are not misleading. Right? So in the financial industry, they have a thing called a disclaimer, and they say, past performance does not equate to future, outcome. In the health medical industry, and APRA is the sort of guiding body to ensure that doctors are not out there to trick people or to mislead or misinform people. And in the disclaimer, that APRA sort of blanket disclaimer is that any surgical or invasive procedure carries risk. Right? Before proceeding, you should seek a second opinion from appropriate qualified health practitioner. So that's one of the disclaimer. Or you can add a little bit more about every patient has different outcomes. Result might vary. That's basically what you need to do, right? That's why if you have a smile gallery or the before-after shots, you have to make sure you have a disclaimer in there so you don't get in trouble with APRA. So that's another really important factor to put into your website when it comes from a business perspective. You don't want to get sued. So we've got plenty of other videos similar to this where it helps you with the marketing of the practice. Either subscribe to us on YouTube or like us on Facebook and be notified the next time the video comes out.